So start the calibration, and then at the point here, and then at the point, and then we're ready. Okay, you click on the e-touch. Right, the e-touch open the programs. That is the application of the program that allows the ball to work. Yeah, now we have a white, black. Now these are the background, just to change the background of your interactive whiteboard. Okay. And that's hard pen if you want to write on the hard pen. And software, I can do the same thing to you. You can write on that. Okay. And then to erase the pen. I want to erase the pen. Click erase. Okay. And that's it. Click on the erase pen. And the pen automatically erase. Okay. Snap. So that's to make multiple lines. Clear the page. Intelligence page. What make it intelligent. Draw a triangle. This place is just to pick any of the triangles. You draw a triangle, square, block. Do that. So you can do that. You can do that, and I can change the color of it. And change it to any color I choose to. So I must select it. So to move it, and then change the color from yellow to any sound color. Okay? And so that's for the text and the geometry. So if you want to insert a text on it, so you can insert a text in the keyboard. So you click on that, the keyboard will comes up. So any of the text you wanted to type in, okay? And then I click on that. If I want to save it, I can save the work. So click on that in the save box. Click save as. So the same thing as if you're typing. So you can save it in different formats. We have JPEG, we have GIF, we have T, we have PNG. So depending on the format you wanted to change. Okay, and then save, the same thing. And then I want to export it. Yeah, I want to export it to a PDF. That means after saving it, I can export it to a PDF. Okay, so now, so either Word document, so I put PDF, yep. So the beauty about it is that you can save your work and save in a PDF and send the work you're doing to any of your students or any of your clients in PDF format, in Word format, in PowerPoint format. Now on the resources aspect of it, there are some templates that's already been saved on the template. That means there are some files that already been saved there. So these are files already saved, and you can. The beauty about it, you can copy your own file and save it there too in the template. So that's it there on the template. You can move the pictures. You can rotate the picture. Whatever thing you want to do on the picture, you can rotate it. The mathematical function. Now the mathematical function is sometimes you want to use your X and Y axis anyway to plot a graph. So you can be able to plot a graph on that. So you can plot any of the graph, any of the mass graph. X and Y axis are there. Okay. So cosine, all the mathematical functions are there. So all you need to do is just to pick up. So if you pick up y is equal to x raised to power 2. So if I click on this, it will plot the graph here, y raised to power x power 2. And I can change the coordinates of the graph. I can change the coordinates of the graph. I want to change it. So if you want to change the coordinates of the graph, so this is where you can change. You can double click on that. So this is the point. Okay. So just change the value of it. Can you change the value, please? Yeah. Yeah. So once that is done, this is a video That means you can play a video. That means if you want to, say in your classroom, you have a video file you wanted to play, so you can play the video file in your class. So the video file tells you what is happening there. So, and that's it. Okay? So the next thing is the audio file. That means you want to play music, sounds, music file, go to here, we upload the same thing, we music files, the sample of the music file, so we click on the music file, and then we can click play. So once we click play, the sound start coming up. Okay? So stop it, type the keyboard here. Also, you can type it on your computer, so it gives you option to type it also on the computer. So if you want to type the text, type the text here using your keyboard here, or you can come here and use the keyboard that is associated with it. So if I change this, I come here and type PPP. So I want to put this topic or any of the topic I'm teaching in class on the website. So I can link that on the website. All you need to do is just type the website, then the URL address. And this is the link to the tips, okay? And then that's the website address, and then click OK, and then once I click OK, so you go ahead to move it, or use your pen to move it, whichever way, just like the engineer is here, okay? And you can use your pen there, you can use your playback, so playback what you've just done. So the playback just simulates what you've just done. Just in case you miss any of the lessons, you can do a playback. Okay? Now this is a spot. This is just like a magnifier. Okay? Okay? So it's just to tell you, if you want to capture any of the spots, so you can use the spot to capture that. There's the clock. So if you want to display a clock, maybe if you want to time your class, you want to time maybe a lesson, or you want to time a student, you can use the clock. Alright? So time it. So the widescreen, this is just like, so for instance, if you're teaching, right, and you've got some answers, maybe some questions there, and you don't want the student to see the question, so you can use this button. It's called the button. To block there, I'll take a picture of this place, and voila, that's the picture. Okay, and then the next one, so I want to magnify, so I want to see, so we go to magnifier, so you want to see the top, what is there, go back to basic calculator, let's say 9, just to make sure it works, 9.6, we know it's 54, give it 54. So that is the line, it's a pen, the line, so I want to increase it, this one is to increase the length, okay, I want to draw the line, yeah, I can see draw the line. Okay, say I want to leave it to display to 8, and compact. Okay, draw it on the compact. Say I can extend it. The protractor is there. We know this is 90 degrees, so I want to get 90 degrees here. Here, 90 degrees. Here, yes, 90 degrees. Yes, 90. So draw the line.